Welcome to SEMA 2024. I'm Stanley Chavik, and this is my son Stanley Jr. and Daisy Chavik, my wife, beautiful wife. And I want to introduce our family and also our business, Hotrod Chavik. We bring this year unfinished project, which is 1932 Ford Roadster, which I completely modified and restored. It's a tribute of Indy cars, 1949, a nice modification on suspension. We have actually stock axles, except the rear. It's a winter quick change, but front, it's a 4-inch drop a Ford axle, but has Indy wheels and Indy brakes and Indy tires. It's a special concept which I actually designed it. It's a hub which you can use it for this Indy setup. You see very interesting rotors, which are like the first rotors which was made, and there we are recreating my shop. Also, engine is gorgeous. It's a flathead, hardened, modified, blown flathead, which is modified for Hemi style heads, Arden. Body is also completely modified. It's a original body from 1932, but we can say like 85-90% is brand new. Totally different floor, special floor for tank, a stainless steel tank, which is under trunk floor. There is filler from Indy. Also the aerodynamic blister behind the head, which is the part of the filling the tank. Whole thing, it's our personal project which we like to finish it and bringing on the shows and driving on the streets and enjoy it, that's for sure. Special leather, bomber style, bomber seats, special system for pedals, the steering Schroeder Indy, which has Adler and pit arm. That's my design completely, and all stuff, it's handmade. Front nose, it's a custom. It's a 1938 LaSalle grill, actually two welds together. Cab filler for radiator from 1932 Buick. I love Buicks, that's why. And missing hood, which is still in the shop, and also missing the special Le Mans windshield. Tires, special tires, you can see one side is smooth, one side has design. That's special thing for 500 Indy race. When a racer doesn't see the lines, he's supposed to stop in pit and change the tires. That's why they look like that. And I love them, they are iconic. Thank you for checking it out. Again, welcome in SEMA 2024. And I hope that you enjoy this.